Emmett, Michigan. Hey guys, here comes a CN westbound train in Emmett, Michigan. That signal's up there's a red, and the signal behind me on the first one is green red. Here it comes. I'm gonna have to watch the camera because earlier when I saw the eastbound, the camera tipped and I had to film with a black camera only, so I'm gonna keep the camera like this with both cameras, so here it comes. Yep, sorry, I was just checking the blue camera, make sure it's recording. Let me zoom in more quick. I can't tell how fast it's going, but it's a CN. Looks like a big one. Here it comes. I'm not going to get the gate show because it's the sun shining this way and it's hard to see. So, we're just going to keep both cameras like straight and east for the westbound. Here it comes. Because how windy it is, you know. I'm blocking the wind so the blue camera doesn't get knocked over. Hopefully the train doesn't blow the wind either. It probably will a little bit. Here it comes. Emmett, I can't see her. Now I can. Emmett, Michigan. Here comes, buddy. Here comes. I have to stay here. Hey, she's going down. Whoop. Bye.